Why does Revelation 1:15 say that Jesus Christ's feet are like unto fine brass as if they burned in a furnace? Well, you look back there in Daniel chapter 3, and Nebuchadnezzar looks in that furnace of fire where the 3 Hebrew boys are, and he sees another person in the fire. And he says the form of the fourth is like the Son of God. Jesus Christ kept them from burning, and he came down, lived a sinless life, and he walked through the furnace of fire for you and took your hell on the cross.